Welcome back to Furthermore Crafting. Today, I'm working on a special little thing. The people I'm working on it for don't even know I'm working on it. Haha. Buddy contacted me the other day and let me know they're having a brand new baby boy. That's exciting stuff. So I figured I'd do him up a nice little piece. I've a tomahawk for him years ago, and it came out awesome. And I did a plaque for them of the Tree of Life for their wedding once he got married and everything. And now he's about to have his first son. Exciting times, a truly happy new year. And I'm gonna show you guys some of the works, as it were. I said in an early video I don't like to use Dremels unless it's unless it's pretty much required. I did on that stump, that log, just trying to knock it out quick, and it did. The next one I'm gonna do with knives, not these little guys obviously, but get that all going. When I do the forge setup, video all that, talk about some of the stuff. A lot of cool things coming. This video won't come out until after I've already given the family the plaque and the link, so they can watch their piece being made. A special little thing. And this sucker's oak, so it is hard. It's not going to cut easy. But that's where it's worth taking the time. I did a little rough burn of the outline just to get my lines in. But firing the wood or using a wood burner on it, if you're blackening the wood at all, you're making it a little harder than it was. Yeah, now we're going to chip some stuff out. And the process I'm going to do to this, I got to get these in here pretty deep. And you guys will see why in a little bit. Let's get those started good. I can clean it all up later. I just want to get those lines in. Oak. Most of the steps to the process of making one of these is pretty therapeutic for me. There's the rough carving, hand carving bit, and there's the sanding down or using files or both. if it's going to get any stain or a flame burn. All pretty soothing stuff if you enjoy working with your hands. Just get in there and focus. And it takes me a minute to get one of these out, that's for sure. This oak ain't no joke. And these knives are sharp, it's no joke. They'll go right through my hand. But it comes into taking your time and making sure you're focused. Pay attention to what you're doing, you know. Oh, oak. Always like doing the triquetras. Some pronounce it Triquetra. I've always known it as a Triquetra. Triquetra. It's a very, very, very ancient symbol. Beautiful symbol. Perfect for a brand new family starting off. Especially when I get it all done up. You guys can't see what I see yet, but you will. I'll show you. I think you're gonna get a kick out of it. I will. I know that. Yeah. Get those in a little bit deeper and we'll rock and roll. I'd like to thank everybody who's liked and subscribed to the channel so far. It's been pretty cool. I haven't been up very long, haven't been doing very much, but it's pretty cool. Thank you. I'm gonna keep trying to please y'all and bring you interesting projects. Now we got her rough cut in, nice and deep in the spots we want her. Still got some refinement to do. Now comes the fun part of breaking out the little strips of sandpaper and little files and getting all the lines and edges and all that stuff cleaned up. And we're not done yet. We know that sound. Give that a minute to cool off. Now we're not using sandpaper this time. I'm just going to use a little scratch pad. Easy. We're not trying to remove a bunch of stuff. We're just trying to take some of the loose off. That's all we're wanting to do. Yeah. Pretty stuff, huh? Pretty stuff. There's the Triquetra, another plaque I did. And just in anecdotal fun, I put in the runes live, laugh, love, because that seems to be a popular and whatnot. And just to sweeten the deal for the dude, we're giving him a brand new send cut. I don't remember the particular name of this, but I will throw it out. Quality little knife on ball bearings and whatnot. Everybody needs a good pocket knife. If you guys like what you're seeing, please consider liking and subscribing. Having a lot of fun here. Doing a lot of stuff. Got a lot more projects coming up. Got some outdoor stuff coming up pretty soon. Gonna be out in the snow throwing tomahawks and knives and all that fun. But hope y'all are staying warm. Hope y'all are staying safe. Thanks for stopping by.